afternoon, everybody. This is Karen Morris, and Freedom is at the end of his bird bath. Hey, Freedom. We just went walking with a friend of ours, Leslie, and we were outside for an hour. It's 74 degrees out today. Hey, Freedom. And we had fun. We met some nice people along the route, and Freedom loves to see kids and talk to them and their parents. Hey, Freedom. Now he gets a little crazy if he sees super young kids. Then he could go to a level 2 or 3 scream. Not kidding. Hey, Freedom. Now he'll snap his. Let's see a snap, Freedom. He'll snap out his wing. There we go. There's a snap. You gotta love it. Hey, Freedom. Look how pretty. Now birds are supposed to have 12 tail feathers. Hey, it's really fun to try to count the whole time while you're doing the bird bath. I'm getting 4 feathers on each side of the tail. Look down here. And then 2 in the middle, so 4 and 4 is 8, 9, 10. I'm not seeing the 12. But I don't have it memorized. The Freedom has always had only 10. Or I have a huge parrot book my brother got me for Christmas last year, which I need to read. Hey, Freedom. So we could be an expert. Okay, all right, Freedom. All right, let's take a look at your feathers really close. Look how beautiful, Freedom. This can be so pretty. So isn't that interesting, though? The tail feathers are super bright. He's got the red and the navy. All right, Freedom, you want to say goodbye? So I'm glad to get outdoors today. Say hello from Hilton Head to everybody. Hey, Freedom. Hey, pretty boy. Hey, Freedom. Okay, we're signing off live from Hilton Head Island. It's Freedom the Parrot. Have a great day.